Hey. Sorry I'm a little late, guys, but was in a meeting with Marty and Robin and Julie and Bill. We were discussing some things. How's everyone doing today? It is Monday. Guess what? The clock is still ticking. We are ready to blow some people up this week, I should say. It's going to be an exciting week, but first of all, let me get out what's going on here today. At 2 o'clock, we have a private founders roundtable, which is at 2 o'clock. You have to get that link in the back office. Please do not share that link, especially on Telegram groups. Keep that private. So if you are new a founder and you need to ask questions, that's the place to be. You'll have Red, Marty. I think Julie is not going to be on there today. Susie McCrae, Marina, Charles. It's a really good place to ask your questions if you're a new founder and old founders. And then later at 7 o'clock tonight, it'll be the Canada. James Bell and Suzanne will be doing another webinar at 7 o'clock. I do have that posted on my Facebook. Also, then after that at 8 o'clock will be Kevin and Cedric, and they will have another presentation Q&A. So a lot of good opportunities to get on there. Check those out. Of course, some guy made us famous again today. I'm sure most of you know about it, and that's okay. Don't watch it, delete it. To me, it's funny because this guy's got a huge following and he keeps plastering us all over the place. And all the questions that he's answering in there will be answered soon. And he's not going to look so smart. And he's advertising for us, which I love. So that is a plus for me. This week, there's going to be some things happening. I will confirm it when I find out for sure. And as soon as I find out, myself, Marty, Red, we'll all let you know about that. I think you'll be pretty excited about it. We are waiting for that confirmation. Still asking everyone to be patient. All right, be patient. Patience is a wonderful thing, especially when you're in something this wonderful and big. Oh boy, I better scroll down and see if I got any names here. Oh, I do. Peter Shore, Summa Gopal, Tanya Onpassive, what's happening? Herberto, what's going on? Good lies, Roberto. Even though I don't speak that language, I still love him. Julie Wen, Listrati, Lalan, Sani, how are you? Ruth Pace, Ahmed, Bill Musk, my buddy Bill, my best friend in the world, Patty McGugan, Pradip, and Jacqueline Lewis. All right, let me try to keep up with those. So, guys, there is some things coming up this week. And like I said, I'll confirm that when I know for sure when it's going on. Now's the time to make sure you check everything in your back office, okay? Make sure your emails work, your passwords work. If they don't, get a hold of a leadership council, and we can help you with that. It's pretty cool to know that something that's been going on for 3 years is, I believe, coming to the big boom part, which is very exciting for me. I know we still have a lot of naysayers out there. Julie. I know we have a lot of naysayers out there, and that's okay because every single business in the world, Ford, GM, Chrysler, Facebook, they all had naysayers. All right, you just didn't hear about those naysayers because they didn't do what Ash Mafar is doing, offer this to the world. Okay, think about it. There's an excellent write-up in the back office by Michael Williams, not Dr. Michael Williams, Michael Williams AIM. All right, you need to read it. It's all about how long it took companies to get where they are today. And if you look at what they did, how long it took, Onpassive is way ahead of schedule. And you're going to be amazed by it. But I'm going to say it again. If you're not in this, you're going to miss out on something huge. Yeah, you'll have the opportunity, definitely have the opportunity to get into this after we launch. But remember, the founding position, when we do launch, will end. And the founding position is the perks to everything. What's up, Ken? Juanita, how you doing? Kahiriel, I have a hard time. Hey, Jay. Kahiriel Basher, how you doing? Nice lives you're doing, Jay. Keep them up. But everything that's going on right now, you don't know about, is happening. Okay? It's an amazing thing to be part of something. An average guy like me, like all these people below, average people that are in a multi-billion-dollar company, okay? For those negative things that go out there, we don't care. Keep advertising for us. We love you for it. Okay? When the truth hits the world, you're going to look pretty silly, I believe. I'm not even going to call your name out. I'm not going to make fun of you, but you keep advertising me. I love it. Keep advertising me, man. Actually, I would rather you just become an Onpassive founder. All right? You got that huge following. Woo, boy, would you be successful. But anywho, today, if you have a birthday today, happy birthday to you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Just to let you know, some of the things I've been going with, my mom's boyfriend of 15 years had a terrible fall last Wednesday. He is on a ventilator. They're not sure what's going to happen. His son lives in Germany, and his family lives in Iowa. We're waiting for them to get here. It's not real good, and it's a hard thing to go through, but I will ask for prayers for Richard's family. We call him RC. I would love if you just said some prayers. I do appreciate that. It's never fun going through stuff like that. You got to understand, there's a lot of bad things in this world, and sometimes prayer is all we have, and I hold on to that with my whole heart. Huge thing for me. But not to depress anybody. Life is good. Tanya, what's happening? Linda, what's happening? Vicky, how you doing? Life is good, guys. You know why it's good? For me and for everyone underneath this making comments, because I'm a founder. I'm a retired auto worker who is now part of what I think is going to be the biggest company in the world, the biggest giving company in the world, and that's really where the success is going to be. Yeah, we do have over 50 products, and you'll see them soon. And when we launch to the world, every one of you are going to be blessed in many, many ways. And all we ask is that you take those blessings that you're receiving and send them out and help a lot of people. A gentleman, Dave Rosleski, showed me a video the other day. He said, I actually shared it, of a guy who was homeless on the street with a cup. And if you get a chance to watch it, it's below here a little bit. He's basically saying, listen, man, you think it's easy holding a cup all day and asking for money, and people say to him, hey, you bum, get a job. All right, he does try to get jobs every day. The difference is he doesn't have a phone where they can call him back. And that's what he says. I want to work, but I don't have no way to communicate with these people. That's a lot of people on the streets. Just because they live on the streets doesn't make them a bum. And man, if this guy, I'm trying to reach out to this guy because I will personally gift him an Onpassive position, and soon he won't have to do that kind of stuff. Okay, one of our big goals, myself, Peter Shore, Ash Mafar, and the Onpassive family, is to take care of homelessness, get rid of it, help these people out, put them back on the right side of this world. We walk by them every day, folks. If you see one, let them know about Onpassive. If you got the extra funds, gift it to them. It's a great thing. You have no idea. Whoever's never given to someone before, it is the greatest feeling in the world. There's nothing that can compare to it. And I'm not bragging. Have I gifted people with many things? Yes, I have. And that's why I'm smiling, because I get to help somebody out. What do we say in Onpassive? We're changing lives. Every single day we're changing lives, and that's really what it's all about. So you come across those people on the street, reach out to them. Talk to them a little bit. You just might find out that these people at one time in their life were very successful and something bad happened in their life, and that's where they ended up. Let's get them off the street, guys. Let's gift these people. Let's help them out. Let's find out all about them. There's some pretty amazing things on YouTube about. There's another guy who was homeless and someone put a piano. This guy was an excellent pianist. Sorry about that. I got to find you again. Someone called me. He was an excellent pianist. I'm sorry. And this guy now is worldwide, playing this piano everywhere. A guy that lived on the street just had some bad things happen in his life. He's now, because one person reached out to this man. It's an amazing thing. If every one of us reach out to these people, look at the change we're going to make in this world. All right? Passive isn't just about being successful. It's about getting other people that aren't so successful and getting them back in life. And we want to hear them. We want to hear all about those people. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing. Who else is on here? Sharon, Brian, Quirk, how you doing? especially the veterans, Sharon. Absolutely. Rosemary Rodriguez, hello, beautiful. Lucci Royal, what's happening, girl? How is RC doing? He's the same. He's the same, Luch. He is the same. Keep praying for him. Hey, William, how you doing? So, guys, reach out to someone today. Talk to them about Onpassive. Don't be afraid. Not everyone was meant to be a founder. It is an amazing thing. I told you this week we should have some exciting news. Has not been confirmed yet. I know someone else said something it is, but wait for myself, Marty, Red, Julie, Robin, Peter. We will confirm that, and we'll tell you really what's going on, okay? But I got to get going. Actually, I got a little bit of work to do today. Remember, in less than a half hour is the presentation for Founders Only. That link's in the back office. 7 o'clock Canada with Susan and James. I have those links posted, and then 8 o'clock Kevin and Cedric. Presentation Q&A. So if you're new, you definitely can jump on there, ask your questions. If you want to be on camera, you can. If you don't, you don't. You can type it in the chat and we'll answer it for you. But guys, at least check it out. At least check it out. Like I said, you get your money back. You come in and you don't think it, see what I see or what I've been saying, you get your money back. It's real simple. It's worth checking out. So you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you here in 20 minutes or so. And I'll also see you on the webinars later. But please check it out. Onpassive is coming. It's happening. It's real. As other people say it's not, it is real, folks. It is real in over 212 countries right now. Yes, we have product. Yes, we have tools. And pretty soon you're going to see those, okay? You're just going to have to trust me on it. Like I said, if you don't, that's okay. Go back to doing that 40, 50-hour work job, and you don't want to change your life. That's your choice. It's not my choice. I know it's 910,000 people decided they wanted to make a different choice. And that's exactly what is happening. They made that choice, they signed up, and now they're patiently waiting for this to happen. And remember, there's been people that's been doing this for 3 years consistently because that's how much they believe in it. That's how much Ash Mafara has put into our heads saying, guys, this is real, it's happening, and pretty soon you're going to hear the boom of Onpassive. All right, I got to go. If I missed your name, I'll get you in the comments. I love you all. Make sure you check out Marty DeGarmo's live on YouTube and Red Redfern's live on YouTube and Onpassive Nation UK. And get in this, because this is coming. See you later. Bye. Lucci Royal, give me those Colombians.